Hello friends, in last video we have discussed about some important topic of polynomials. In this video we will discuss about same chapter polynomials. Here we will discuss about some special question. When find all zeros of given polynomials when some zeros are already given. Means after giving some zeros of polynomial we have to find other zeros. Okay, before telling about this one we are discussing about some same topic, but now we are taking some numbers. Suppose I have taken number 45. 45 is a number. Now okay, now 45 is a number. Suppose there's two factors 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is a factor of 45 and we have to find rest of factors of 45. These two factors are already given. Now what will we do? Now we will do multiply their factors. That means we can write product of factors. Product of factors 3 into 5. What will become? 15. It is the product of given factors. Now what will we do? After getting product of factors, we will divide given number by these product of factors. So 45 is a number. It will be divided by 15. Now it will be going on 3 times 45. After dividing, I got 3 is another factor. So we can say factors, all factors of 45 is two factors already given 3 and 5, and by doing division I got another factor 3. Arrange it in proper way 3 3 5. You can check 3 3 are 9, 5 are 45. These are factors of 45. This one we have solved for common numbers and natural number. Now we will come back on our topic. We are discussing about polynomials. So now same thing we will do in polynomial case. Okay, for this one I have taken one question, then you will understand betterly. If 3 and minus 3 are two zeros of the polynomial, this one x power 4 x plus x cube minus 11x square minus 9x plus 18, find all the zeros of given polynomial. You can see here polynomial is given this one. First we will check what is the degree of polynomial. You can see highest power of polynomial 4. So it is clear that in this polynomial we will get 4 zeros. 2 zeros are already given. That means it is clear that we have to find 2 other zeros. Okay, now how? Let's see. What is px? X power 4 x power 3 11x square minus 9x plus 18. It is given polynomial. There 2 zeros are given 3 and minus 3. 3 and minus 3 are zeros. Now you can confuse कि sir here we are talking about factors but it is zeros. Okay, by giving this zero you can write their value x is 3 and x is equal to minus 3. These are zeros. By transposing we can get their factors. X minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 and x plus 3. Now you can say it is a factor of this polynomial. This is a factor of this polynomial. By this way I got two factors, x minus 3 and x plus 3. Same here. Two factors is given 3 and 5. So by this way I got two factors, x minus 3, x plus 3. Now what did I do in last question? Now after giving these factors, we have to do product of factor. We have to getting product of factors. So same thing here, we will do product of factors. Product of factors, x minus 3, x plus 3. You can see here a minus b, a plus b, we can use identity, a square minus b square. That means you can say x square minus 9. X square minus 9 is a whole. It is the factors, complete factors of this polynomial. This polynomial. Here, after getting product, what did I do? After getting product, we have to divide this product to given number. So same thing here we will do. After getting this product of factors, we will do divide by this factors to given polynomial. How? Let's see. What is polynomial? X power 4 x cube minus 11x square minus 9x plus 18. It is a given factors. Sorry, polynomial. I got these factors. X square minus 9 is a factor of this polynomial. So you can write, for getting other zeros, we will do divide px by x square minus 9. For getting other two zeros, we will do divide px by x square minus 9. So we will do simply divide x square minus 9, x power 4 x cube minus 11x square minus 9x plus 18. Now we will do divide. First term of dividend divide by first term of divisor. X power 4 divide by x square. Last time I told you that we will draw a left column. First term divide by first term. So x power 4 divide by x power 2. You can see cut. I have x power 2. So it will be going on x power 2. After doing divide, we will do multiply. X power 2 into x power 2. X power 4. This one plus, this is minus. Plus into minus, minus 9x square. So where will be minus 9x square? Just inside of their degree. After seeing their degree, we will write downside of the numbers. Minus 9x square. We cannot write here because their degree is 3. We will write minus 9x square here because their degree is 2, minus 9x square. Sign will change. Cut. X cube. This minus plus subtract, minus 2x square minus 9x. Now same thing we will do whatever we have to do last time. First term divide by first term. X power 3 x power 2, x power 3 upon x power 2 cancel. Only x has came, plus 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 x. Now x to multiply x power 2, x power 3. This plus into minus, minus 9x. Where will we write 9x? Here? No. Their degree is 2. On 9x having only degree 1. So we will write 9x here. Minus 9x. Sign will change. This sign will not change because there is no any operation. Cut. Copy it. Minus 2x square. We will also cut. Now what I left? Plus 18 I left. We will copy it. Same thing, first term divide by first term, x power 2 cancel 1, minus 2. So here minus 2 left. So minus 2 into x square, minus 2x square, minus 2 into minus 9 plus 18. Sign will change. Cancel. I got remainder 0. After doing dividing, I got this quotient. So we can write px x power 4 plus x power q minus 11x square minus 9x plus 18 is equal to what? First factor is x square minus 9, and this is also factors. This way I got two factors. Leave it x square minus 9. We will do split it. X square plus 3x minus 2x minus 2 x square minus 9, x common, x plus 3 minus 2 common here, x, one problem here, x square, no mistake here, x square plus x minus 2, so here I have written 3x minus 2, okay, after, sorry, 3x minus 2, okay, so x here, x common, x plus 3 minus 2, x plus 1. Something is wrong here, because I think here mistake, 9 2x x square plus x minus 2, 2 1 that, oh sorry, 2 minus 1, oh sorry, 2x minus x, 2x minus x, so x plus 2, 1 common, x plus 2. Here we will take 2 into x, okay, now it will be common, x square minus 9, x plus 3, x minus 3 already it has given, now here x plus 2, x minus 1. By this way I got 4 factors. First, second, third, fourth, these are 4 factors of this polynomial, but we have to find zeros. So for getting zeros you can say x plus 3 is equal to 0, so x equal to minus 3, x minus 3 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 3, x plus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 2, x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus, minus 1, then 1. By this way, thus all zeros of given polynomial x power 4 plus x cube minus 11x square minus 9x plus 18 are minus 3, 3. All these zeros are given, and I got minus of 2 zeros, minus 2 and 1. By this way I can get 4 zeros. 2 zeros are already given, and after solving I got 2 rest of zeros. So this way I can get all zeros of any polynomial. Thank you so much.